Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Instagram watch history option not showing. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and select your activity. If you don't see the watch history option, don't worry. Next, go to your phone's settings, apps, manage apps, scroll down and tap on Instagram, storage, then tap clear cache. This helps refresh the app and fix missing features. Next, open the app, tap profile icon, tap three dots, scroll down and log out of your account. Then log back in and check if the watch history option appears. Keep in mind that the watch history feature is not available to all accounts yet. Instagram rolls out features gradually, so some users may not see it immediately. If nothing works, uninstall Instagram and reinstall it from the App Store. This often fixes feature-related glitches. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more practical tips. Thanks for watching,